Hello, AI enthusiasts, and welcome to AI for the People, where we explore AI in action.
In action.
We've got some seriously cool examples of how AI is already changing things.
Well, yeah, from healthcare to finance to the way we shop online.
You ready to be amazed?
Absolutely. It's really fascinating how AI is moving beyond the hype and actually delivering tangible results.
Yeah, it's not just a futuristic concept anymore. It's happening right now.
Right now.
Okay, so let's start with healthcare, because who wouldn't want a super precise robot surgeon?
Right.
Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci 5 system is taking robotic surgery to a whole new level.
It is.
What's so groundbreaking about this system?
Well, what's so groundbreaking about this system is that it increases precision by 20% compared to older models.
Wow.
That means fewer complications for patients, quicker recovery times, and overall better outcomes.
That's a huge jump in accuracy. And it's not just surgery that's getting an AI boost. Remember DeepMind's AlphaFold, the one that cracked the protein folding code?
Oh, yeah.
Well, they've done it again with AlphaFold 3.
AlphaFold 2 was already revolutionary because it could accurately predict the structure of proteins,
Right.
which is crucial for understanding how they function.
Yeah.
But AlphaFold 3 goes even further. Now it can actually predict how these proteins interact with each other.
Okay, so why is that such a big deal?
Well, imagine trying to develop a drug to fight a disease. You need to understand not just what the individual proteins involved look like, but also how they fit together and interact. AlphaFold 3 provides that crucial missing piece of the puzzle.
So it's like going from having a blueprint of a machine
Yes.
to understanding how all the parts actually work together.
Precisely.
That's incredible. And speaking of speed and efficiency, let's move on to the world of finance. Did you know that Mastercard is using AI to fight fraud in milliseconds?
It's true. What's impressive is not just the speed, but also the accuracy.
Right.
By analyzing massive data sets of transactions in real time, AI can identify patterns that indicate fraudulent activity with a high degree of certainty.
Well.
Mastercard's system has even managed to reduce false positives by 90%,
Oh, wow.
meaning fewer legitimate transactions are wrongly flagged.
That's a huge relief for anyone who's ever had their card declined for no reason.
Yeah.
So while we're out there buying coffee or shopping online, AI is working behind the scenes to keep our money safe.
Exactly.
But it's not just about catching the bad guys. AI is also playing a major role in how financial institutions manage and invest billions of dollars every single day.
Oh, yeah. Take JPMorgan's LOXM platform, for example.
Okay.
This AI-powered system can execute trades at lightning speed and adapt its strategies based on constantly changing market conditions. It's like having a team of expert traders working 24/7 analyzing data and making decisions at a pace no human could ever match.
So it's like AI is taking over Wall Street.
In a way.
I guess that explains why all those finance folks are learning to code. But AI isn't just limited to these high-tech industries. Let's shift gears and talk about manufacturing and retail. Have you ever wished you had a crystal ball to predict when something's about to break down?
Oh, all the time.
Well, companies like Siemens are using AI to do just that.
They are. They call it predictive maintenance, and it's a game changer for factories and industrial operations.
Yeah.
By analyzing data from sensors embedded in equipment, AI can spot subtle patterns that indicate potential failures way before they actually happen.
That's amazing. So they can fix things before they break, preventing costly downtime and keeping production running smoothly.
Exactly. Siemens has seen a 15% increase in factory uptime thanks to this technology, which translates to significant gains in efficiency and productivity.
Wow. Okay, so AI is helping factories run like well-oiled machines.
Yeah.
But what about our everyday shopping experiences? You know how prices on Amazon seem to fluctuate constantly?
Oh, yeah.
That's AI at work too.
It is. Amazon's dynamic pricing strategy is driven by sophisticated algorithms that analyze tons of data,
Okay.
including competitor prices, market trends, and even your own browsing and purchase history. This allows them to adjust prices in real time to stay competitive and offer personalized deals.
So AI is basically playing chess with our wallets, making sure we get the best price while also maximizing their profits.
Pretty much.
Pretty clever, huh?
It is. It's fascinating how AI has become so ingrained in our everyday lives, often without us even realizing it. And as AI systems get more sophisticated, they're taking on tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans, like driving.
Yeah, self-driving cars have been the stuff of science fiction for ages, but now they're actually hitting the road. Companies like Waymo Via are developing self-driving trucks that have already logged millions of miles safely.
Think about the potential impact on the logistics industry. Self-driving trucks could operate around the clock, reducing delivery times and transportation costs.
Hmm.
And they could potentially make our roads safer by eliminating human error, which is a major factor in most accidents.
Millions of miles driven by AI, it's mind-blowing. But it's not just about moving goods.
Mhm.
AI is also being used to save lives in some pretty remarkable ways.
Oh.
Zipline, a company that specializes in drone delivery, is using AI-powered drones to deliver medical supplies to remote areas.
These drones can navigate challenging terrain and reach places that would be inaccessible by traditional means. Imagine a village in a mountainous region that's cut off from roads. A Zipline drone can deliver life-saving medications or blood transfusions in a matter of hours.
It's like something out of a superhero movie. It's clear that AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in so many areas. But as AI becomes more powerful, it also raises some important questions about how we ensure it's used responsibly.
Absolutely. As we entrust AI with more and more critical tasks, we need to make sure it's developed and deployed ethically. One of the biggest concerns is bias in AI systems.
Right, because if an AI is trained on biased data, it could end up making biased decisions, perpetuating existing inequalities. So how do we prevent that?
Well, one important step is to develop tools that can help us identify and mitigate bias in AI systems. IBM, for example, has created a toolkit called AI Fairness 360 that helps developers test their AI systems for bias and make adjustments to ensure fairness across different demographics.
So it's like a safety check for AI to make sure it's treating everyone fairly. It's encouraging to see that there's a growing awareness of these ethical issues.
And it's not just about developers and companies taking responsibility. Governments are also starting to step in to regulate AI. The European Union, for instance, is leading the way with its AI Act, which aims to establish clear guidelines and standards for the development and use of AI.
It sounds like they're trying to strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting people's rights. But the world of AI is constantly evolving, so it must be challenging to keep regulations up to date.
It definitely is, but it's essential to have these frameworks in place to ensure that AI is used for good. Now let's shift gears and talk about some of the even more futuristic frontiers of AI research, like quantum AI.
Quantum AI, that sounds like something straight out of Star Trek.
It might sound like science fiction, but it's a real field of research that's exploring how quantum computing can be leveraged to enhance AI capabilities. Quantum computers have the potential to solve certain types of problems exponentially faster than classical computers, which could lead to breakthroughs in AI.
Okay, I'm going to need a little ELI 5 on this one. What exactly is quantum computing, and how does it relate to AI?
Imagine a computer that can be in multiple states at the same time, unlike our current computers, which can only be in one state at a time. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations in parallel, making them incredibly powerful for solving complex problems.
So it's like having a superpowered brain that can explore all possible solutions simultaneously.
Exactly. And one area where quantum AI is showing promise is in climate modeling.
Okay, so how can quantum computing help us understand climate change?
Climate models are incredibly complex, and even our most powerful supercomputers struggle to simulate them accurately. Quantum computers, with their ability to perform massively parallel computations, could enable us to create far more detailed and accurate climate models.
That would be amazing. Imagine the insights we could gain into climate change and the potential to develop more effective mitigation strategies.
Absolutely. Quantum AI could be a game changer in our fight against climate change. And another frontier of AI research that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible is AGI, or artificial general intelligence.
AGI, that's the idea of AI becoming as intelligent as humans, or even surpassing human intelligence, right?
That's right. AGI refers to the development of AI systems that possess the same general cognitive abilities as humans. This means AI that can learn, reason, and solve problems across a wide range of domains just like we can.
But with that level of intelligence comes a whole new set of challenges. How do we ensure that AGI remains beneficial to humanity and doesn't pose a threat?
That's a crucial question, and it's one that researchers are actively working on. OpenAI, for example, has launched an initiative called Superalignment, which is dedicated to addressing this very challenge.
So what is superalignment and how does it work?
The goal of superalignment is to develop techniques and methods to ensure that even superintelligent AI systems remain aligned with human values and goals. This involves research into areas like AI ethics, value alignment, and safety mechanisms.
It sounds like a monumental task, but it's reassuring to know that some of the brightest minds in AI are focused on finding solutions.
Absolutely. The future of AI is full of possibilities, both exciting and potentially challenging.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground today, from AI that can perform surgery to AI that's driving trucks, and even exploring the frontiers of quantum computing.
Hmm.
It's clear that AI is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative force that's already shaping our world in profound ways.
And the pace of innovation is only accelerating.
Right.
As AI research continues to advance, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge in the coming years, impacting every aspect of our lives, from how we work and play to how we address global challenges like climate change and disease.
It's mind-boggling to think about how far AI has come and the incredible potential it holds for the future. But it's not just happening in some far-off research lab. AI is already all around us, from the personalized recommendations we see online to the medical diagnoses we receive.
Exactly. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's shaping our world in profound ways. And as we've explored in this deep dive, its impact is being felt across a wide range of industries and sectors.
So for our listeners who are just starting to wrap their heads around all of this, what are the key takeaways? What do they really need to understand about AI in action?
I think the most important takeaway is that AI is not something to be feared or dismissed.
Okay.
It's a powerful tool that has the potential to do both good and harm,
Right.
and it's up to us to ensure that it's used responsibly and ethically.
So we need to be informed, engaged, and critical thinkers when it comes to AI. We can't just passively accept whatever advancements come our way.
Absolutely. We need to understand how AI works, its limitations, and its potential impact on our lives. We need to be aware of the ethical considerations and advocate for responsible development and use of AI.
For sure, this deep dive has given our listeners a glimpse into the incredible world of AI in action. But it's just the tip of the iceberg. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, and staying curious and informed is more important than ever. What excites you the most about the future of AI?
What excites me is the potential for AI to help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease to poverty. If we can harness the power of AI responsibly, I believe it can truly make a positive impact on humanity.
I couldn't agree more. And on that note, we encourage our listeners to continue exploring this fascinating field. Think about the implications of these AI advancements for your own life, your work, and your community. What are you most curious about? What questions do you still have? Which AI application amazed you today? Let us know. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI's transformative power.
And as you continue to learn about AI, ask yourself this: how can we collectively shape the future of AI to ensure that it benefits all of humanity?
That's a great question to ponder. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI in action. Join us next week for more.